hosed everything off and everything is already nice and clean. No brake dust adhered to the surface of the wheels. So in case you're wondering, we use Kamikaze Stance as our wheel coating. All right, so wash is complete. A lot of stuff I didn't film because it's just so repetitive. You guys have seen all that, but yeah, wheels are clean, inside's clean, engine bay is nice and detailed. Yeah, it's probably gonna give it a coat of wax and just to give it that pop, that shine to the paint. So yeah, just a few hours of work actually. And I even put the fly ride tails on there, which is really easy. It's like a 20-minute job. So if you're interested in taillights from fly ride and you're intimidated by the install, trust me, it's really easy. Time to get some rest and get prepared for the show tomorrow.
Guess what I'm fucking doing?
Let's do it, man.
What kit is it? Is it a universal kit?
The vertical doors.
Is it like universal?
No,
Or like for the 86?
Yeah, they made it specifically for the 86.
So if you're not supposed to be in the building, you need to leave for a little while, and then make sure you guys check in at that gate and take extra pre-buy bands. If you did a pre-buy, that's also the same place you guys can get your banners at. Okay? Okay? Thank you.
You'll see it down here though, I'm sure.
Honored to meet you. Heard you're at 30K. How long have you been vlogging?
Like 6 years, man.
Okay. Is it always been car stuff?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. Just like local car meet stuff or your own builds?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. It's an honor to meet you. Hope you enjoy your time today. What's up to the vlog? Yeah, good talking to you, man.
So we had to leave the venue because they wouldn't let us park inside early, even though we have a media pass. Yeah, we're still waiting over here in the stoplight. I think we're gone. So we've been out here for about an hour now, still waiting to get in.
Oh my god, we're moving, finally! Oh, thank god. Oh, come on.
I hope so. No. So there is a huge line to get in. They're running about an hour or 2 hours behind. I don't know if you can see that. So I've been waiting out here for about an hour. The ambulance can't even get through. Finally getting through. Speed bumps. Finally made it through. All right, show's almost over. Sorry I couldn't film much video for you. There's a bunch of copyright music in the background, so I couldn't do very much commentary. It's about 30 minutes till the show ends, and there's still a bunch of people in line to see TJ. Holy crap, these guys have been waiting for a long time.
The next day.
So after hauling around the Ronin yesterday all day at Stancewars, I think I'm done with it. I ordered a replacement for this gimbal. I'll let you guys know when it comes in because it is on back order right now. Don't get me wrong, I really like the gimbal. The Ronin is an awesome gimbal, but trying to carry it around all day and not having a place to set it down, it's just one big pain in the butt. Wait till you see the replacement. In the meantime, I got a small package from Premium Auto Styling. It's a decal set, and I'm gonna put this on right now. And we got ourselves a flag decal set. Cool. Charger RT, he wants to run me, so we'll see about that. Let me get focus on there. Stancewars 2018 was a success. Had an awesome time. Also got a chance to meet some of you guys out there. But next week we have Wekfest Seattle 2018. But there is a problem. Since this is an indoor car show, we are only required to have a quarter tank of gas when we get to the venue. But as you can see, I have a full tank of gas, and that needs to be taken care of. So just siphoned a little bit of gas out of the gas tank, only about a couple gallons, and still I'm well above half a tank, and I drove 33 miles. So another prep day. I got the wheel bucket out, I got the pressure washer out, and we're just gonna give the car a nice good cleaning, give it a coat of wax just like we did on Casey's car last week. Last week was Stancewars. This week, or tomorrow, is Wekfest Seattle. So for cleaners, I'm just using Adams Eco All-Purpose Cleaner and some Adams Wheel Cleaner, nothing special. And also, I still have some of the Chemical Guys Diablo Wheel Gel. This is diluted, I think 3-to-1. So I just gave the engine bay a nice pressure wash, a little detail with my detail brush, and top it off with some Carpro Pearl. I don't know, I've always been a sucker for nice, clean, and detailed engine bays. Something you don't see a lot, you know, at shows these days. But so pretty much the same process as last week. We're gonna wash the car, give it a coat of wax, and then off to the show we go. Hopefully we see some of you guys there. If you guys are watching this right now, I'm probably at the show as we speak, if you are watching this the day that I upload it. So it's been a few minutes already, and the soap is still clinging onto the paint. Wow, pretty good. All right, so there it is, freshly washed. And if you're there at the event, you're probably gonna see some YouTubers out there with some famous builds. You know, I'm trying to collab with some of those guys. The thing is, though, they have to be willing to collab back. And, you know, that's one thing that's always been a challenge for me, is trying to collab with other YouTubers. And one thing I've started to do recently was putting the cart on the quick jacks or lift. I know some people really got offended when I call this a lift, tomato, whatever it is, but it makes everything so much easier when you're waxing. You don't have to bend down as far. I don't know, make fun of me all you want, but work smarter, not harder, right? Well, this is one way to make sure you don't miss any spots when you're dressing your tires. And we are done. Everything is nice and clean. The paint is looking really wet, although you won't be able to tell on camera. But if you guys are going to be at Wekfest tomorrow, stop by. You'll see the car there. Come say hello. I will be filming all the other cars that are there. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. And thank you for the support. And one more thing I got to do before I let you guys know is, you guys might think it's clean, but I really do have to clean the interior just a little bit more. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.